Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm going to share powerful passive income idea that you can start right now. This method don't need fancy equipment or big budget, just your time, creativity, and consistency. Let's jump straight into it. Idea number 1, print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and a lot more. The best part? You don't need to buy stock or ship products. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify handle printing and delivery. You just upload your designs. And if you're not a designer, don't worry. You can use free tools like Canva or even AI tools like ChatGPT plus Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Whisk AI to create graphics. Every time someone buys your design, you earn a commission. So with print on demand, you can literally turn your creativity into cash without touching inventory or worrying about shipping. If this idea gave you some inspiration, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next passive income idea. Thanks for watching.